We are finally getting close to enclosing the trailer, but before we do, the rear door needs to be framed in. Today's video shows that entire process. Here I used a ratchet strap to make sure the two side walls were plumb. Then I constructed This is just a brace for now to keep everything straight. I'm going to finish up a couple of welds, and then we'll start doing the top part. Here's the finished door frame. It's all nice and square now too. Might reinforce these corners, although I don't think it's necessary. Now my original plan was to do one big door that opens up, like most people do. But I might actually do 2 barn doors that latch in the middle. Since I'm not doing a kitchen wall like most people, I think the barn doors might be a better idea. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you think. So I just got to add one more brace there, and then I'll be done with the welding for the most part on the cabin. Cool.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.